Meet Me login account recovery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover our Meet Me login account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover our Meet Me account, all we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Meet Me application here. Now if you want to recover because maybe you forgot your password or the verification or something like that, there are a couple of ways to hopefully solve it. So first, go to already have an account login here option, and it says to enter your email and password, but since you forgot your login details, just tap on the forgot password option here. Now it will open up in a browser a little pop-up which looks like this, where all you have to do is you have to enter the email address that was associated with your Meet Me account, then tap on submit. Then basically it will send a confirmation code on your email, and once you enter the confirmation code and tap on submit from your email here, then you'll be asked to choose a new password that you can set without having to remember your old password. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.